How to fix your account has been locked on Tinder. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video we will discuss how you can fix if your account has been locked on Tinder. So let's start. First of all, open Tinder and log into your account. Now if your account has been locked, then you might see the login screen while opening the app. If your account has been locked, then you can apply a couple of methods in order to solve it. The first reason why your account has been locked may be because you have forgotten your password or entered a wrong one. In that case, you will find this trouble signing in option below the login options. Tap on it. After that, you will find an account recovery page like this. So if you have forgotten your password, you can simply tap on login with email. Then after, you can enter the email address that you remember and then tap on send email. As you do that, it will send you a mail with a link to reset your password. After that, you can reset your password and then log into your account. Now if you can't log into your account even if you remember your password, then it might be an issue of a temporary or a permanent ban on your account. In order to tackle that, you can directly contact the customer support. For that, go to a browser of your choice. After that, tap on the search bar and then type Tinder submit a request. Then after, you will find the submit a request link from Tinder. Tap on it. After that, you will find a screen like this. Now tap on this drop down menu and then select the motive of the request. Since your account has been locked, select trouble with account login. After that, you will have to specify the issue. You can select any issue that you like. For now, let's go with my account was banned. After that, it will ask you your email address, your phone number and the description of the problem. Furthermore, you can also send any attachments such as any files or screenshots. After that, you can simply tap on submit. As you submit the request, the moderators will look into it and then try to solve the issue. If your account has been locked by mistake or by any other inappropriate reasons, they will contact you through email and then specify the reasons. So in this way, you can fix the issue if your Tinder account has been locked. That's it for the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for further similar videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.